1.30 times 10 to the negative 6 gram sample of nobelium-254 has a half-life of 55 seconds after it is formed. What is the percentage of nobelium-254 remaining 4.5 minutes after it forms? So to solve this problem, we will use the integrated rate law for first order kinetics. That is ln of A equal to ln of A sub 0 minus ln of 2 over half-life times t. Okay, so let's define first all the terms. A is the final amount. So A sub 0 is the initial amount. T1/2 is the half-life. And T is the time. Okay, so let's substitute all the numbers. So the final amount is not given in the problem, so let's just leave it as it is. So ln of A equal to ln of the initial amount, which is given in the problem. That's 1.30 times 10 to the negative 6 minus ln of 2 divided by our half-life. It's given in the problem. That's 55 seconds. So ln of 2 divided by 55 times time. Our time given is 4.5 minutes. Okay, but before we plug that into the formula, make sure your units are consistent. So as you can see, in our half-life, we used seconds. So therefore, in the time or t, we should also convert that to seconds. So we are given 4.5 minutes, so you need to multiply that to 60 because 1 minute is equivalent to 60 seconds. So 4.5 times 60, that's 270 seconds. So you plug that into the formula. So now all you have to do is just solve the right side of the equation. So ln, type that in your calculator, ln 1.30 times 10 to the negative 6 minus ln of 2 divided by 55 times 270, and that will give you negative 16.9559. So I already rounded that off to the fourth decimal place. Okay. So how do you remove now the ln on the left side? Because what we need is just a. So we need to get rid of the ln. So to do that, to remove the ln, let's do e raised to negative, whatever is on the right side. Negative 16.9559. So you type that in your calculator. Look for E in your calculator. Raised to negative 16.9559. And that's equal to about 4.33 rounded off times 10 to the negative 8. So this is A, or the final amount. So this must be in grams. But we're not done yet because the problem is not asking for the final amount. It's asking for what is the percentage remaining 4.5 minutes after. So this is, let me just label the numbers we got. This is the amount remaining. And in the problem, the 1.30 times 10 to the negative 6, that is the initial amount. So to get the percentage remaining, that is amount remaining divided by initial amount times 100. So the amount remaining again is 4.33 times 10 to the negative 8 grams divided by the initial amount is 1.30 times 10 to the negative 6 grams times 100. So the grams will cancel out. So if you type that in your calculator, you will get approximately 3.33 if you round it off, and it's in percent. So this is the answer to the question.